Hi there, my name is Adarsh and in this video I've explained about the Shopify dashboard and your Shopify account, like understanding your Shopify dashboard, like understanding different sections to settings, how you can preview your newly created Shopify website and everything. Okay, so watch this video till the end to grasp every single key factor of your Shopify dashboard and understanding everything about your Shopify account. So let's get started.
Okay, see this entire page, this is the Shopify dashboard. Okay, you can call it the Shopify backend and everything like this. Okay, you can see options like select a plan, but we don't need to select a plan as we already have a 14-day free trial. Okay, so we are gonna use that for now. As you can see, this is my name and this is the name of my store over here. Okay, there are a couple of options and everything. See, so as you can see, there is an option for sales channels, and there is this online store and this I button. I want all of you to click this I button. Just click it. See this, here you go. This other superstore 3, this is my online store, as every one of you will have your different stores. This is your own store with your store name, home, catalog, search button, add to cart button, image text, image with text overlay. You can add different posts here, your images, videos, anything. Your product placement could be here. You can customize all of this space as per your uses. Add a little or tagline. You can add product, you can add your products here, or you can just add photos of, see, your product's name, the pricing, then again image. You can give customer reviews here, post. Then there's a quick link search. Then if you want people to subscribe for your newsletter, you can see it over here. See, so this is like your online store. Okay, and this we call like a backend. Like you can see, like in a normal store, there are like people, some take care of the products, some take care of the product placements. In like a supermarket, some care about the billing, security, and everything. Okay, so all of that stuff is managed over here in the backend. Okay, so as you can see, like you can see here, we have couple of options here. Okay, home, orders, product, customers. Okay, so like homes, when a people come to your home page or any page of your website, they make a purchase of a product, then they become your customers. Okay, like, so just like that, this like order, this is like the order menu. In order menu, you can categorize how many orders you get, how many you have fulfilled, and everything related to orders. Okay, then the products, in this you can add, delete, you can create more products, you can customize their pictures and everything related to product placements, to editing them. Everything is done in this menu. Okay, then you have customers. From here you can manage your customers, like who has made a purchase in your site, who has made an order. Okay, who has subscribed to your newsletters and anything. Okay, then analytics. In analytics you can see how many people came to your website, then how many people you can, like you can see how many people clicked the product, then how many people, let's say 200 people came to your website but only 20 clicked the product. Okay, 3 of them added to cart, 2 bought it. Okay, so everything related to analytics and statistics is over here. Okay, then marketing. See, as we have an online store, we are going to market it online. Okay, so everything about your marketing channels you can integrate over here with Shopify. Okay, so this is all about your marketing channels, which could be anything, like from Facebook to Instagram to Google searches, SEO, anything. Then here Shopify gives you an option to create like discount codes, gift vouchers, like pamphlets for your customers. Like you can give offers like buy this in 24 hours to get a 25% discount. Then this is like the main, like we are gonna use this a lot, like apps. You can see like apps option. You can see there are like different, we are gonna use different, this menu for customizing your store. Like you can say, like you can, you can open a store, but you have to put different things in the store, right? Like you have to organize things, you have to, like if you make a banner, it would be a great option if you add a customer review in the bottom section of your site, which would be updated automatically. It would be a really great option. Okay, like collecting emails to taking suggestions of people. There are many different kinds of apps in the, it's like a Google App Store. Okay, like let's say you bought a phone, like let's say you bought an iPhone, you have to download apps. You bought a phone of Android phone, you have to download apps from Google Play Store, right? So your website is like a simple phone, but you can add many different types of apps. Like you can see it's Aveda, size chart, like shoppable videos, mode magic, one click upsell. There are many different apps. Okay, so this is all. And here, as you can see, we have different sales channels. Here, as we have our only medium is like online store, so this is our like only sales channel. And like then you can see we have a settings tab over here. Okay, now I want you to click it. See, don't get overwhelmed when that, like what are these, like plans, location, general. Okay, I don't want you to think we are gonna cover every part when we need these things. Okay, like the payment, notification, anything. Okay, right now, like let me just tell you about general settings. Okay, you see, as I just told you in the part 1 of the video, like you can change your store name, you can email ID or your normal ID over here, like address, phone number, you can change anything. Okay, I want like make sure like the standard and formats, see these things, make sure that these are according to your needs. Okay, like according to the like metric system, it could be imperial system, kilograms to grams, it's up to you. Okay, take your desired time zone and everything, then your currency, for me it would be like rupees. Okay, so see, that's all for this. Okay, and this is like we can go from our home page. Then from here you can, like this is your site and this is like the back end. So you can add your domain here, you can add different types of themes. Like if we click the online store option, okay, so here we click the option, you can see now it's loading. Yeah, like you can see we have like different types of options here. Okay, like you can see we have a theme option. Themes is like the design of your store. Okay, like you are gonna add different themes which are like different design templates for your entire Shopify store. Okay, like different styles with different menus and everything, text like that. Okay, then blog post, you can add blog posts to your Shopify site too, like if you can help your Shopify get sales through SEO too. Okay, then pages, you can add pages with categories of pages, like one for let's say clothing, one for food products, anything. Then navigation, yeah, navigation domain is not for the customization of the appearance of the site, but yeah, to add the domain to navigate, how navigation helps to create like menus for your customers. Like you can create a menu under like clothing, like men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, summer clothing, and then preferences. Okay, so this was all a short like what is your Shopify store, how your dashboard looks like. Okay, so this is like a short introduction. And now after this we are gonna go and start the real process of creating our own Shopify store. Like we are gonna design everything from like new image to adding products to everything. Okay, so I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you very much.
I hope you found this video useful. As I already just said, this video is the part of a Shopify series in which I am taking you on a journey from creating your own Shopify store to adding products to advertising to making real profit. So to get notified when I upload my next video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified when I upload my video. Thank you very much.